This is Public Policy 7th semester class. Today our lecture is continuation of lecture 5th, tools of implementation of public policy by the government. This is the 7th tool for implementing the public policy. The name of 7th tool is programs. When the policy decision is taken by the relevant authorities or by the government, all the programs are made to solve the problems that are facing community at different levels. By implementing this program, government institutions solve these public issues. These policies are implemented through the combined efforts of all the government departments which are concerned with the issue in one or the other way. All the departments on their level tries to solve the issues. For solving these issues, they got support from other departments and their staff, as well as the citizens who are interested to support the government departments on the solving of public issues. The 8th tool of implementation for policy by the government is subsidies. To implement the policy successfully, government gave subsidies on different levels to the institutions and their staff. The wages of the staff are made available for additional supporting the staff. They are paid to encourage the staff for working more efficiently and effectively. The subsidy system given by the government to the staff of the implementing departments should be a long-term process. It should be 3 or more than 3 years program of subsidy. The short-term program could not support the implementation or could not give good results of subsidies. So only the long-term plan of subsidies and the long-term policy will give good results. The tool 9th is regulation. According to the government policy or under the guidelines given by the government to the concerned institutions and officials, the regulation should be fixed that the policy serve the interest of the community. It will be for the welfare of the community. These regulations will support regarding the solution of public problems or solution of issues the community is facing. So through these regulations, the ambiguity is cleared for the public service. Number 10th tool is taxes. The finances are compulsory or integral part of the policy implementation. So for the implementation of any program, policy or project, the taxes are increased because the government finances the policy on one-time basis. For the permanent solution of finances, government increased the taxes regarding the implementation of policies. So the involvement of the public to meet the expenses of the policy is compulsory so that the concerned departments could implement the policies through which they could resolve the issues. For future, purposely government implement the policies to meet the developmental expenditure. It imposes the taxes which became very necessary to run the policy. Without finances, no one can be run the policy without proper finances. Finances will originate through taxes, so the taxes are increased to implement the policy. The next tool is expenditure. To implement the policy made by the government, under the policy, to coordinate and to supervise the policy implementation and policy results, and to check the solution of issue. Government appoints one coordinator of the policy to oversee the implementation and solution of policy. The coordinator appointed by government coordinate among the different government departments which are concerned regarding the implementation of policy, as well as the coordinator will be responsible to government on all the issues regarding the policy. To meet the finances regarding the public policy implementation, coordinate will also report to the government for increase or reduction of their expenditure to meet the financial basis. Number 12 tool is public ownership. The term public ownership is very important in all the tools discussed by us in this lecture. When the public owns the government policies which is implemented to solve the community problems, on the making of public policy and on implementation as well, government tries to secure the public support and convert it into a course of public welfare. Community considers the implementation of policy given by the government is for the welfare of the people and the issues which are the community is facing. All the problems could be resolved through the implementation of these policies. As well as government also took the support of public in decision making and implementation process regarding public policy will be done with government public collaboration. The second last tool of the public policy implementation is incentives. Government almost offer different facilities to community in lieu of community support for the concerned bodies which are responsible for the implementation of policy. Government pursues the public to change their behavior for the favorable outcome or for the welfare of the people as a result of the public policy. If the public policy is successfully going to solve the problem, then the government will give some incentives to public to gaining the public support. The government can reduce the taxes, reduce the fines, and through the goodwill, public also got a tax relief in the budget or as a result of implementation of policies. The last tool of the public policy is due to policy regulations, community is discouraged for a particular behavior. The fourth is disincentives. Through public policy regulations, community is discouraged to do a specific work or to behave in a specific manner. If the public abstains to do something which was discouraged by the government, then they will be able to get incentives. If they disobeyed the policies, then the government gives him disincentives in the shape of fine or punishment. For example, if the community persons drive while drinking, then they will be fined or will face imprisonment. On these tools, these all the tools which are used by the government for the implementation of public policy to redress of the problems of community. The basic objective of these tools used by the government means the redress of community issues, redress of community problems. Government in implementation of the policy can use any of tools as the government desired fit for the success of the public policy. Thank you very much, students. If you have any question, you can call me or you can ask the questions on writing at the end of the lecture. I will be available to answer your questions as soon as possible. Thank you.